Narendra Modi. As far as on terrorism is concerned, Prime Minister has delivered yet again a tough message. Speaking at a global forum, the Prime Minister has reiterated India's zero-tolerance stand on terrorism, declaring that there is no room for double standards. A loud and clear message that is now coming from India to the world, where India and Brazil have now strongly opposed terrorism, and those who support it, Prime Minister Modi said, while asserting that there is no place for double standards, in a veiled reference to Pakistan and its all-weather ally, which is China.
आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई पर हमारी सोच समान है। जीरो टॉलरेंस एंड जीरो डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स। हमारा स्पष्ट मत है कि आतंकवाद पर दोहरे मापदंडों का कोई स्थान नहीं है। हम आतंकवाद और आतंकवाद के समर्थकों का कठोर विरोध करते हैं। एक्सेलेंसी, एक बार फिर इस सर्वोच्च राष्ट्रीय सम्मान के लिए और आपकी मित्रता के लिए मैं 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों की ओर से आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं आपको भारत यात्रा करने का निमंत्रण भी देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Well, Srinjoy, as far as Prime Minister's statement is concerned, another honor that came in his way, but he's been saying that there has been growing cooperation in defense between India and Brazil, and he believes that this is a symbol of deep mutual trust, and the two countries have similar thinking when it comes to fight against terrorism. That means zero tolerance and zero double standards.
This is the new part. Our Prime Minister is making it clear there should be zero double standards, which means that you can't go to a forum in one place and speak strongly about terrorism and either support terrorists or support the country that supports terrorists. That is the point that Prime Minister is making. So this is clearly a reference to 2 or 3 countries, and he's making it very clear that, look, if you're supporting a country that supports terrorists or that uses terrorism as an instrument of foreign policy, then you're just as culpable. That's a very strong statement the Prime Minister is making. So that has to be kept in mind. As far as the issue about defense and Brazil, with defense ties with Brazil is concerned, yes, this is an area where cooperation can happen, because no country in the world has sent its Army Chief, Navy Chief, Air Force Chief, all 3 to India within the last 1.5 years. And the Brazilians want Indian weaponry, whether it's artillery, whether it's the Akash system, whether it's the OPV, that's the offshore patrol vessel, whether it's communication systems. These are things that Brazil has use for. On the other hand, Brazil says that our planes, the Embraers, are already used by India.
Yes. So
if you already use them for VVIP travel, use them for the other purposes. And some people are suggesting a swap. A swap meaning no money will be exchanged, but goods or planes of a certain value can be paid for with artillery or Akash systems or OPVs.
So as far as India and Brazil is concerned, things are looking quite positive as far as a billion-dollar trade deal that is also expected. What is being said till now, 6 agreements in all that were signed on combating terrorism, on transnational organized crime, renewable energy, digital solutions, intellectual property, agricultural research, and mutual protection of classified information, where there's been a successful trip as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned before he makes his last stop. Please to stay on with us, Srinjoy, as we move on to a critical information that is now coming in this morning.